Hello, today we will guide you through how to use skip logic in KoboToolbox. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to create a simple question and then apply skip logic so that it only appears when a specific answer is selected. Skip logic is useful when you want to keep your form clean, relevant, and easier for respondents to complete. To begin, open your sample project in KoboToolbox. This will take you into the form editor where you can add and manage questions for your survey or data collection form. Once you're in the project, click the plus button labeled Add Question. This opens the list of question types you can insert into the form. From that list, choose text. A text question is useful when you want the respondent to type in a custom answer, especially for cases where a predefined option like Other needs more detail. After selecting the text question, enter Other as the question label or name as shown in the form. This helps identify the purpose of the field clearly. In many forms, an Other field is used to capture information that doesn't fit the main answer choices. Next, click on Settings for that question. The Settings panel is where you control how the question behaves, including whether it is required and when it should appear. In the mandatory option, click Yes. This means that if the question is shown to the respondent, they must complete it before moving on. This is helpful when you want to make sure that any other response includes actual detail rather than being left blank. Now go to Skip Logic. This is the section that lets you define the condition for when the question should be displayed. Click. Add a condition to create a new rule. This tells KoboToolbox that the visibility of this text question will depend on a previous answer in the form. Then click. Select Question from list. You'll now choose the earlier question that will control this logic. From the list, select the question labeled Are You Good? This is the question KoboToolbox will monitor to decide whether the text field should appear. Finally, click on Other. By selecting this value, you are setting the condition so that the text question appears only when the respondent chooses Other in the Are You Good question. At this point, your skip logic is in place. The form will now show the text field only when that specific answer is chosen, which makes your survey more dynamic and user-friendly. This is a simple but powerful way to improve form flow in KoboToolbox.